Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria and in today's video I have some more Valentine's DIYs. I absolutely love how these turned out. They were so easy and so inexpensive to make. I did use mostly Dollar Tree items. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. For the heart sign, I will be using this Dollar Tree decor sign, a heart-shaped decor. This is from Dollar Tree as well. Some ribbon, the one I'm using is from Michael's, but Dollar Tree carries similar one. Some greenery, this is from Walmart, and the beads are from Amazon. The size is 20 mm. I'm going to start off by painting the sign. And I'm using some chalk paint. I am going to water it down just a tiny bit. I'm going for a whitewash stained look. So I am going to paint this and leave some of the brown peeking through. I'm going to set this aside and let it dry. Now I will be working on this heart-shaped decor sign, and I am going to remove the sticker because I am going to use the back. I think it's easier than me trying to remove all the glitter from the front. So I'm going to paint this using some chalk paint. Now rats can shine, jokers got silver lining. Holy Mary sings songs in the wet rain. Once they're both dry, I'm going to glue the heart to my sign, and I'm using a whole bunch of hot glue because this is pretty heavy and I want this to be able to stay. You can use E6000. So I'm going to put this in the lower bottom of my sign, and then I'm going to add some beads. I am using a total of 29 beads. To stain the beads, I will be putting them inside a ziploc bag, and then I'm going to add a little bit of antique wax and a little bit of water, and then just move them around till the antique wax gets all over the beads. There's two ways you can glue the beads to the heart, one by one, or this way, which is I think easier. I will be putting all the beads on a string. Using hot glue, I'm going to glue the garland around the heart. What I did at the end was just tie it, and when I cut the string, you can see it a little bit, but I fixed up by just painting the string with the antique wax. To decorate this some more, I will be adding the greenery. I cut two stems off from the boxwood greenery pick that I got from Walmart. Then I tied them using some string in the middle, and on top of that I added a bow. The best thing about this sign is that you can use this all year round just by switching the bow. So now I'm going to add the word love on the side of the heart, and I will be using this Walmart stickers. If you have a Cricut, you can totally print out like a nice quote, and it will look so great on the heart. But since I don't, I'm using what I have. And that is it, guys. The last thing I did was just add some string so I can hang this.
If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along. I'll be.
Next up is the heart garland. I will be using these wood DIY hearts from Dollar Tree and some more Amazon beads. For the garland, I'm only using 3, but I am going to stain 6 because I'm going to use the rest of the hearts in my next DIY. So I'm going to stain them using the Waverly Antique Wax. I did add a little bit of water to the antique wax to make it a little bit lighter. The next thing I will be doing is putting beads into a ziploc bag and some white paint and a little bit of water to stain the beads white.
Find the northern lights, see the stars in the open wild. Catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map. I'll let you know.
Using the drill, I will be making another hole at the bottom of the hearts. I'm actually only doing it to 2 hearts, just so like that I can be able to put the string through to make the garland. Now I'm going to put the garland together. I'm using this Dollar Tree white string. I'm putting some tape so like that it's easier to put in the string through the beads and the hearts. To make the garland, I will be starting by putting 2 beads first to the string. Then I'm going to add it to the heart. And I'm going to put the string through the back of the heart. So then like that I can add 2 more beads and then add another heart.
Drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. Or drinking red wine by an open fire. Make love or fight.
I then added the 3rd heart to the bottom and it looks like this. Now for the garland at the bottom, I did that myself using some of the same white string and some juice string. And once I was finished, I did add another bead to that. Then I went ahead and put the string through the heart and made a knot on the back. To finish this off, I made a bow and then I used a piece of string to tie it to the top string of the heart. Like that, I can use this garland all year round by just switching the heart. Not the heart, the bow. For my next DIY, I will be using one of these Dollar Tree decor signs and one of the hearts I stained earlier. So I'm going to start off by removing the thankful using my knife. And as you can see, it kind of left a little bit of the cardboard. I did leave some of it because I am going to cover that up using the heart. So the next thing I will be doing is painting this sign using some white chalk paint. I'm going to set this aside and let it dry. Now I'm going to work on the heart. And what I decided to do was to drill a whole bunch of holes around the heart. Like that, I can add some string. And if you don't have a drill, you can always just paint some white lines around the heart. Using some of the same Dollar Tree white string, I added a piece of tape. It's easier for me to weave it through the holes. And after that, I just used the Dollar Tree ribbon to make a nice cute little bow so I can add that to the heart.
I wish I could freeze this moment, just never let it end. Walking through the snow when you're taking my hand.
And the last thing I did was glue the heart to the sign, and look how cute and adorable this little decor turned out. It is perfect for a tier tray. For my next DIY, I will be using some Dollar Tree wood planks. I'm only using 2, some greenery, 2 hearts, and some beads. I'm going to start off by painting both of the planks using some white chalk paint. Then I'm going to flip them around and add some popsicle sticks to the back. So y'all remember I had stained 6 hearts at the beginning. I'm using the last 2 for this one. And some small beads. These beads are from Walmart. I'm going to flip one of the hearts around and start gluing some beads. I'm leaving a space in between the beads. Then once I am done gluing all the beads around, I'm going to glue the other heart right on top. Using some boxwood greenery, I took off some stems. Then I'm going to just place them inside the little holes that the heart has. And I'm adding, I think, 5 stems. Then I'm going to glue the heart to my sign using hot glue. To finish this off, I'm going to add this little cute red bow. There's 2 ways you can display this decor. You can add a little hanger to the top and hang it, or add a stand, and that is what I did. I used a piece of paint stick. And that is it, guys. I think this turned out beautiful, but you gotta let me know down in the comment section which one is your favorite. I would love to know. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.